English language learner students may need support with the translation, dictionary, or, as I call it, the Pictionary tool. To access these, you will have your Read and Write toolbar available, again by clicking on the puzzle piece. Select a word, and to use the translation option, click on the Translate icon, and a new box will appear. On this box, notice that you can play the word,
Ancient,
or you can play the word in the correct phonetic accent.
antiguo, racio,
The same word can also be looked up in the dictionary. Again, these can be read to the student.
adjective. Having existed for a very long time.
Another window that can be used as well is the picture dictionary. This provides a very simplified picture to stimulate the ideas of what the word may be. Again, leaving these up, you can choose a different word, and the dictionary, translator, and picture dictionary changes. If the language needs to be changed, that can be changed in the options by clicking the drop-down menu, selecting options, and changing the translation language. There are over 80 languages that can be translated to support all learners.